Hello guys, welcome back to NAFIMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about two cats and a monkey. Once upon a time, two cats used to live in a village. They were good friends and both used to live very lovingly with each other. One day, both the cats became very hungry while playing. They saw a piece of bread at some distance. They started fighting over that bread. One cat said, "I found it first, so it is mine." The other cat was saying the same thing. The first cat took two pieces of bread and extended one piece towards the second cat. Seeing this, the other cat said again, "What is this? You gave me a small piece. That is wrong." A monkey on the tree was seeing them fighting over the bread and wanted to eat that bread too. He said, "Why are you quarreling? I can help you because I have a scale which can divide the bread into equal amounts." Both cats liked the monkey's advice. The monkey climbed the tree and brought the scale. He put both the pieces in a pan. He deliberately divided the bread into unequal amounts and said, "Hey, this piece is big. Let's make both equal." And after saying this, he ate a little bit from the big piece and ate it. In this way, every time the scale became heavy, he broke a little bread from that side and started putting it in his mouth. Both the cats were now terrified. She still quietly waited for the monkey's decision, as they did not want to give each other more amount of bread. At last, small pieces of bread were in pans of the scale. The monkey said, "As you have seen that I have done the hard work of dividing bread with my scale, so I must get the wages of my hard work." He ate the rest of the pieces of bread. The poor cats went on empty stomachs from there. Both the cats had realized their mistake and felt that others could take advantage of their weakness. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.